Hi friends, today I show you how to Wight lose natural diet step by step. Subscribe your channel. Step number 1. Cook with extra virgin olive oil. Losing weight with the Mediterranean diet does not involve avoiding fat entirely, it just involves eating the right type of fat. Extra virgin olive oil is the fat of choice to use for cooking and dressing foods. This should largely take the place of butter in your diet. 3. Olive oil may even be the key to the health benefits of the Mediterranean diet. 4. Believe it or not, studies show that eating a diet containing good fat from olive oil and nuts actually helps people lose more weight than eating a fat-restricted diet. 5. Of course, even good fats contribute to calories, so be mindful about quantity. Fry or sauté vegetables with a tablespoon of olive oil, add more if needed. Step number 2. Cook with extra virgin olive oil. Losing weight with the Mediterranean diet does not involve avoiding fat entirely, it just involves eating the right type of fat. Extra virgin olive oil is the fat of choice to use for cooking and dressing foods. This should largely take the place of butter in your diet. 3. Olive oil may even be the key to the health benefits of the Mediterranean diet. 4. Believe it or not, studies show that eating a diet containing good fat from olive oil and nuts actually helps people lose more weight than eating a fat-restricted diet. 5. Of course, even good fats contribute to calories, so be mindful about quantity. Fry or sauté vegetables with a tablespoon of olive oil, add more if needed. Step number 3. Eat many fresh fruits and vegetables. Fresh produce is a staple of the Mediterranean diet. Pomegranate, grapes, figs and other orange and purple fruits are delicious and reduce the risk of heart disease. Cantaloupe, peaches, and nectarines contain antioxidants that improve your health and help your body get good natural sugars, minerals, and vitamins from your food. Include green leafy vegetables like kale, broccoli, and spinach in your meals, which are rich in nutrients like vitamin A, vitamin K, folate, fiber, potassium, and magnesium. 8. Leafy greens are considered super veggies because they provide multiple vitamins, minerals, and fiber. 9. Aim for 9 servings of fresh fruits and vegetables a day. 10. Step number 4. Make fish your main animal protein. Include a serving of fish in your meal at least twice per week. Fish is the main source of animal fat and protein in the Mediterranean diet. Unlike red meat, fish hardly contains any saturated fat, but it's rich in good fat like omega-3s, which are good for weight loss as well as brain and heart health. 11. The best fish choices are salmon, halibut, albacore tuna, herring, sardines, trout, and mackerel. Avoid fried fish. Rather bake, broil, sauté, or grill your fish. 12. Step number 5. Eat lean poultry. If you eat poultry like chicken and turkey, keep the serving size to 3 ounces or less. 13. Avoid adding fat content to your meal by frying the poultry, rather bake, broil, steam, or grill it. For the healthiest poultry option, remove the skin before eating it. Have poultry or eggs several times per week, about every 2 days. 14. Eat no more than 4 egg yolks per week, though you can have more egg whites. Step number 6. Include nuts and seeds in your diet. Like olive oil, nuts contain good fats. Almonds, cashews, and walnuts contain protein and fiber, as well. 15. Nuts are high in calories, however, so eat about a handful of nuts a day for health benefits. 16. Beans, lentils, peas, and seeds are also great to add to a dish or as a snack. 17. Avoid salted or candied nuts, which contain extra sugars and fats. Natural peanut butter and tahini are good additions to your diet. 18. Step number 7. Choose low-fat dairy. Skip whole milk and opt for 1% or skim milk instead. The same goes for cheese, ice cream, and yogurt. 19. Eat moderate portions of dairy and yogurt regularly, every day, or at least several times per week. 20. Try alternatives to cow's milk like goat or sheep. Alternate cheeses can also be delicious. Step number 8. Season your food with herbs. Rather than adding extra salt or butter to your meals for flavor, season your food with herbs and spices. 21. Some great options include basil, parsley, cilantro, mint, rosemary, thyme, sage, chives, dill, and oregano. 22. Step number 9. Enjoy red wine in moderation, if you'd like. Red wine is a staple of the Mediterranean diet, and can have some health benefits when enjoyed in moderation. Moderation means 5 ounces of wine a day, 148 milliliters for women and men over the age 65, and 10 ounces, 296 milliliters a day for men under 65, 23. This is about 1 glass for women and 2 glasses for men. You do not need to start drinking if you don't already. Do not drink wine if you have a history of alcohol or substance abuse, cannot limit your intake to moderate use, or have liver or heart disease. 24. When in doubt, talk to your doctor about using alcohol. Purple grape juice is a good non-alcoholic alternative to wine. 25. Thanks for walking.